How to make a store in Aliexpress. Now in order to make a store in Aliexpress, you just simply need to open your browser and search for Aliexpress seller. Then just simply open the website of seller.aliexpress.com, and after coming to this website you are gonna see something like this, where you need to tap into this start selling now button. Then you need to create a seller account at very first. In order to do that, you need to have a normal Aliexpress account at first, and once you log into that account, tap to quick access. Then after tapping to quick access, you need to sign in or register to your global selling center account which you just created. And after you do that, you need to fill out all of the information regarding your store and business, and after that you need to set up a payment method to get paid from your goods that you sell in Aliexpress. Then your account or store will be created in Aliexpress. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.